best friend.
Welcome to the Spaghetti and the Meatball Show. We show nothing but spaghetti and meatballs 24/7. Oh, pasta, that does look like a good but pasta gooey. If only I could have some. I don't know, say something.
Check.
Yeah, we're good.
Are you bored? Are you wanting something to pass the time? Are you questioning me right now as I'm recording behind this fridge? Are you?
Yeah?
Well, you need to get a Rubiks Cube. It's a Rubiks Cube. Stupid. What are you, dumb? You can, you can solve it, you know? Like, you twist it, turn it, pull on it, you know? You fidget with it. Try to, solve it. I've been going at it for 8 hours and, oh god. I don't believe it. Check out these amazing reviews.
So, what am I doing again with this Rubik's Cube? Oh my god. Okay, listen, you're gonna say you love it. You're gonna say you love it. But I never play with it. Listen, even though you don't play with it, you still gotta say you love it, alright? You're not getting paid. I like this Rubik's Cube. My favorite color is red. I'm gonna go now. Yoshi. The hell? What the hell are the Yoshi? All he says is Yoshi. Yoshi. Bill, what the hell are you? Bill.
You see those amazing reviews? What are you waiting for? Buy the Rubik's Cube for the cheap price of $99.99. And get it while supplies last. Alright, I'm done. God, the things I do for this shit, I swear.
What? Can you buy it for me? I'm not gonna spend $10 on a Rubik's Cube. Are you crazy? It's only $10. You know what? I'll just PayPal you $10 and go buy it right now. Go, shoot, buy, leave. I don't know, just go. Ah! Okay, where's the remote? I need to go to a different spaghetti channel. It's the shop. Jesus. Listen, I just came here for one thing. You guys have it? Rubik's Cube, you know, kids have been buying so many recently. That's what I want! Exactly. Alright. Let's get out of here. That total comes around $10. Let me check. I can't find anything. All I found was this. I'll take that. That's a deal. Deal here. Super Rubik's Cube. Get out. Thank you. Made hundo. Wait a minute. This isn't even real. It's fake. Dude, it's fake. Done. Get the way, main and side character. Wow. Make way for Santa Cat. It's finally my time to shine. Now I get to try this new Rubik's Cube. Ooh. I've been turning this thing for 2 minutes. It's pretty fun, but I don't know how to solve it. But well, I gotta pee. I'll be right back, Rubik's Cube. Don't you go anywhere. Cube, I'm back, and I'm ready to Mario, you're not supposed to be here. Wait, what? My Rubik's Cube is good. I have to touch it. Is it here? No, why is it here? Is it here? Why are you closing? I don't even wear clothes. I'm naked. Nice. Where's my Rubik's Cube, guys? Luigi? Where's my Rubik's Cube? Why are you guys gonna me? You know what? Screw you guys. My Rubik's Cube is gone. Wait a minute. I remember playing it. Wait, that doesn't mean it disappeared. It means somebody stole it. Who would steal my Rubik's Cube? Pete! he acts all tough and he takes my stuff. Pete! Oh man, this Go-Gurts are so good, man. I'm so glad we have the slushy ones in New York. It fell. Hello, Pete. What's up, Sandy? Oh, nothing, you know. Just, wondering where my Rubik's Cube is! Okay, you're up there. Okay, I need you to calm down, alright? What happened? Somebody stole my Rubik's Cube, and I think you took it! You took it! What? Let me show you what I think happened. Flashback. Bakarudai. Oh, what's this? It appears that Sonic has left the room, which means she's left the Rubik's Cube, which means plot convenience, which means I can take it. Bakarudai. And that's what I think happened. Dude, that is by far the most stupidest thing I've ever heard in my life. But it's true. And how did this iPad get charged? Listen, Seneca, I didn't take your stupid Rubik's Cube, alright? Just leave me alone. Okay, fine. Unbelievable. But did you? Did you? Wow! Ow! Ow! Stop! Ow! It's me! Oh, controller! Oh! Where is that Rubik's Cube? Where is it? Don't you tear it away! Where is it? Where is it? I don't know! Ow! 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 Where is it? Where is it? Okay, Mario, he has it. Mario? He gave me the money. I know, that makes sense. He must have taken it back. Clean yourself up. God. This is just like high school. I can't believe this. It was Mario. I trusted him and he betrayed me. Oh, I'm gonna get it. I couldn't find the spaghetti show. Now everyone's looking runs out. Hello, Mario. Luigi, what are you even doing here? You're not even meant to be here. Oh, come on. You know what? Screw you guys. You guys suck. Hello, Mario. What do you want, Sonic? As you know, I bought a Rubik's Cube earlier. Yeah? And I was wondering if you took it. Why would I take a Rubik's Cube? I gave you the money for it. Yes, that's foolish on my part. But I still think you took it! Oh, God! Oh, no! Where is it? I don't know! Start! Okay, maybe there's another one at the store. There might be. You better not be lying! Mamma mia! That girl has some serious issues. Oh, stupid kid. Thought she could trick me out of $100 bill. Did she? Oh, well, it doesn't matter because I got the Rubik's Cube back. Ha ha. 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 I was really... You took my Rubik's Cube! No, I didn't. Wait a minute. No, wait. Yes, you see that? Those are my scratch marks. I scratched it right there. But you took it. Yeah, because you paid me out of $100 bill. Okay, fine. I'll give you the real money, all right? Give me a second. What's actually going to give me the real money? Oh! I gotta get out of here. Oh, man. I'm so glad I got my Rubik's Cube back. I mean, I did beat up 2 of my friends, but it doesn't matter because I got it back. So, more of the story, if the guy who sells you your stuff takes it, just knock him out with the water bottle and run with it.